Adventure Training presented by Cadet Adulya Joy, NCC, St. Joseph College Autonomous Irinalakuda, 7 Kerala Girls Battalion, Thrissur, Ernakulam Group, Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate. Adventure Training. Adventure Training is a training given to cadets youth by the NCC to develop the quality of leadership, self-confidence and feeling of team spirit. Parasailing. Types of parasailing: wingboard parasailing, beach parasailing, platform parasailing. First one, wingboard parasailing. In this sort of parasailing, the ascent and descent of the parasail or take place from the boat itself. The boat in the sea is well equipped with the parasailing equipments. Beach parasailing. Beach is the main ground for the ascent and descent of the parasail, or it is much more. Platform parasailing. In this sort of parasailing, one flies under the winds which are below 5 to 15 miles per hour, away from the rough ocean and poor weather conditions and other things close to proximity. Safety tips advised by the Parasail Safety Council. Licensing, established operators, high winds, visibility, passenger age and weight restrictions, types of equipment, altitude, ask questions, release forms. Slithering. The literal definition of the word slithering is to slide or glide like a reptile. This can be better explained as descending from a height. It is also known as fast dropping. Fast dropping, also known as fast drop insertion extraction system (FRIES), is a technique for descending a thick rope. It is useful for deploying troops from a helicopter in places where the helicopter itself cannot touch down. Equipments for slithering: rope, gloves, helmet and knee pads. Rock climbing. Safety tips for rock climbing: always check harnesses, always check notes, always wear a helmet, always check the rope and belay device, always use a long rope, always pay attention, always bring enough gear, always climb with the rope over your leg, always properly clip the rope, always use safe anchors. Cycling trekking. What are the safety measures during cycling? Qualified supervision, physical fitness, helmet and clothing, buddy system, position in traffic, safety rules, turns and intersections, equipment, bicycle accessories, maintenance, racing, planning, discipline. Essential materials for trekking: a good rucksack in proper condition. Clothing include pinch-heater, woolens as per your requirements of the stay and season in which trek is going to be done. Water, food and cooking utilities, camera and its accessories, first aid box, sleeping mat or sleeping bag, oral rehydration solution, rope, a good pair of shoes, cap, toiletry items, torch and batteries, marker and chalk. Safety measures for trekking. Before heading for your adventure trekking trip, do study weather forecast of that area. Do carry multi-pocket carry bag engrafted with zipper closure and cushioned shoulder straps. Especially for trekking trips, the bag should be spacious enough to carry all the important trekking essentials while trekking. Must keep a lighter, Swiss Army knife, space blanket, water bottle and winter attire in your carry bag or pocket before heading for trekking. To prevent insect bite, do wear full sleeves shirt and full pants. Do carry sleeping bag and trekking rope of about 50 meters of length with you. A direction compass and a topographical map is must while trekking in mountains. An ice cutting axe should be always be carried if heading into snowy terrain. What are the points to be brought in the minds for a cycle expedition? Plan a simple, realistic and practical expedition, physical fitness of all participants, selection of a safe route, selection and inspection of equipment, cycles, tie-up halts, administrative arrangements include food, water, etc., budgeting, communication. Self-confidence and courage qualities are developed in adventure training. Gliding is an air wing adventure activity. Sailing is a naval wing adventure activity. Trekking is army wing adventure activity. Thank you.